Konnichiwa, my royal queens and kings. It is your queen, Nicole, the Pisces Queen. And today's video, well, first of all, happy October. If you're a fan like me, I love Halloween time. And this is my favorite time of the year. And I hope that this year I'm able to do more than, well, let's just say I hope I do a lot of makeup looks with Halloween because that is my favorite. So today I'm going to attempt to do a spider on my eye. So let's not wait any more time. Let's get into this video. Now the first thing I'm going to do is put on my foundation. I'm going to put foundation all over my face. I am not going to put on any concealer because I might mess up and I don't want to waste concealer. And also today I'm going to use my my Fit Me Maybelline Clinton. My Fit Me Maybelline foundation because, you know, I'm just doing this for play. I'm not going out to be extra cute today. So I'm going to fast forward this part because my husband's being rude.
What's that? What's that?
It's trash.
What happened? Huh? What happened? What's going on? What's the caution tape up for?
It's Halloween, James.
Hmm?
It's Halloween.
Halloween. Okay.
Clinton! The same thing James Bond says, what I'm saying. Clinton, stop! You. Can you stop? Why'd you do that? It doesn't even matter. So sick. Once you got something to do, anything. Okay, so now that I have my foundation, I'm going to put on my setting powder to set my face. And hopefully no one comes over here and harass me. I'm going to use my Huda Beauty setting powder because it's my favorite. And it always looks good. I'm going to use the same brush that I used to put on my foundation. I'm trying to keep my next thing I'm going to do is do my eyes, and I'm going to put the black. I'm going to put a little bit of maroon up here just to make it look dark. And I'm going to go in with my jumbo eye pencil, the crayons pour. I don't know who this is. Oh, NYX. And I'm just going to go over it. Well, you can't even roll this up, so. Palette and I'm gonna use the maroon color. Actually, I'm gonna go in with the shimmery maroon so it could be extra cute. This is not looking too great, but the next thing she did was put like the white liquid on the parts where like the legs are like turning. So let's see if this comes out okay. This is looking okay. And another thing that she did was go over make some little shadows. Alright, so I found my gray palette, my Julius Place, a gray palette. I think this is the one that Danielle bought for me. She bought me so many things, I forget what is what. But I'm gonna take a. I think it's looking okay for now. Like, you know, I'm trying. I might try again later date, but I'm gonna take the gray. I'm gonna take the darkest gray with my sharp brush, and I am going. You're welcome. I am walking Monique's live. She's at the doing a pop-up shop where she's at. I think she's in Virginia. So yeah, I'm watching her while I'm doing trying to do my eye. So let's get into that. Girl, where's the mirror? Where's the mirror? I'm gonna try to do this other one because I really need like some liquid liner. But I'm gonna try to do this white one. I'm gonna try to do the other eyes. Maybe it'll look better than this one. So I really want to do it. Like, I want it to be so cute. And this look okay. The white make it look better than what it is. So I'm gonna try to do this one right quick. I found like a it's not hard. It's not soft, but you know, it marks really good. So let's see. I need to buy more liquid liners. Let me find one right quick. I got so many. I was trying to make sure. So I need to go get me some. I need to order me some more whites because I know I'm gonna do this again because I want it to be looking way better than it does right now. Oh my god. And let me get my lashes on, do my lips, and then change into my clothes, and we'll be ready. No, I am not dressed. I said, girl, I am doing my makeup. It's a surprise. Me to go live with her. I cannot. I am busy. I don't like to be live on my own shirt. I mean, my own TV channel. Let alone go live with somebody. Girl, stop. Stop it. Anyways, I am almost done. I don't think it looked that bad, but I want to do another one where I put diamonds on the legs, but I gotta get those legs right. So go with a dark maroon lipstick instead of black, and I'm gonna go in with my NYX professional makeup matte lipstick, and the color is Stern. And this I'm gonna put these molds on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed for the day. Well, for this look, I cannot find the pencil liner that Tawala gave me. I just had it the other day, so I'm gonna have to look on in my bathroom and find it because it's my favorite one, and I need it. I need you. Anyways, guys, so this is the final look for the face. I'm going to go ahead and get dressed and show you how that look. Let me know what you think of this. It looks good because I have my glasses on, but where are my glasses? Oh. I was going to look good in those pictures, though. That's for sure. It's going to look good in these pictures. And these lashes are really, really big. I barely can put them on my glasses. They keep bouncing against my glasses, which is why I don't wear them. But these are I'm going to put these on, you know, take them right back off lashes. So, I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you liked it, and I got you so close because my wig is starting to come off and it's really looking horrible. You can see it right there. It's coming. I didn't put it on to stay. I just put it on for this video. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're already subscribed and already a member, then you already know that you are the real MVP. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the comments. Bye.